Are you going trick-or-treating?
No, probably.
Oh, it's a prank! It's a prank! It's a prank! Trust me!
Peut-être, ça sera plus facile. Ça va? Je suis désolé, je te laisse parce que je suis en tournage. Ça va? Au revoir.
Hi, mate. I'm Chris. How you doing? Nice to meet you.
Thanks for giving me this opportunity.
It's alright, just take a seat.
I'll see you guys in a few.
Okay.
Good show.
Right, this is the kind of software that we use. We use Sony Vegas Pro 9.
Oh, good. Yeah, I'm familiar with that.
Okay. This is the kind of videos that we're doing at the moment. You know, kind of like the Jackass style. Simple editing, you know, stuff you'll be fairly comfortable with.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Hello? Yeah, okay, sorry. I'll be right back. Hang on a sec. Just got to take this call.